The Philippine Army said that soldiers have standards to follow to maintain professionalism, including when expressing their political views. This comes after Philippine Army Chief Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete confirmed that Colonel Odi Mongao is set to face the General Court-Martial in relation to his social media post about withdrawing his support to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
The Philippine Army assured due process in the case of Colonel Odi Mongao regarding his social media post withdrawing support for the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Philippine Army Chief Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete confirmed that he has approved the convening of a general court-martial against Mongao following the initial investigation. Prior to this, he was relieved last month as Training Support Group Commander assigned to the Army Training Command at Camp O'Donnell in Capas, Tarlac.
Right now, tapos na po yung investigation sa kanya sa TRACOM, and he's already here for GCM, for a General Court-Martial. Meron akong pinirman sa composition and it will be malapit na.
Although it has already been deleted, Mongao admitted that the social media post was his, which falls under Article 63 of the Articles of War or disrespect toward the President, Vice President, Congress, or the Secretary of National Defense. This carries the possible penalty of dismissal from the service. Mongao is scheduled to retire in May this year, but the court-martial proceedings will continue alongside the holding of his retirement benefits. The Army insists that there are standards soldiers must follow to maintain professionalism, including in expressing their sentiments.
Those are speculations na pinapatahimik natin. Yung ginawa niyang pagbigay na nawalan siya ng confidence, no? So he has to face this an investigation for this, a due process.
As for Mongao's motive for his post,
Doon na lang sa court-martial niya siguro sabihin yun.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.